Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy if you're new here, and for today's video I wanted to show you the basics and share with you 3 different eyeliner looks and how you can achieve them. This is especially great if you have monolids, almond shaped eyes, Asian eyes, whatever, but I think I have tips in here that could apply even if you have a different eye shape. So the first look I'm going to show you is the classic winged liner look. The second one is the soft wing liner look, which is done using only eyeshadows. And the third one is the graphic liner look, which is really bold and really fun. Once you learn the basics of these 3 different eyeliner styles, you can really mix it up and play around with different colors, do a bunch of different things. I've also been sharing a lot more of my makeup looks over on Instagram through photos and reels. So if you want more makeup inspiration and ideas, definitely follow me on Instagram. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, don't forget to do so. I upload a bunch of fashion, makeup, lifestyle vlogs and stuff. So yeah, I haven't done a plug like this in a long time. But anyway, now that that's out of the way, we can move on to the tutorial. We're going to start off with the classic wing. First, I'm going to prime my eyelids. Then I'm going to add a bit of color and definition with a contour shade and just apply it all over. With my favorite brush pen liner, I'm going to mark the end of my wing using tiny brush strokes. I like doing this on both sides of my eyes first because it helps me get them as close to symmetrical as possible. Then from the highest point of my eye, I'm going to draw a line out to meet the end of the wing. I like to do tiny brush strokes here too. Now I'm just filling in the wing and then drawing a thin line from the inner corner to finish it off. If you want a super clean wing, you can take a concealer brush with some eye primer or concealer and shape it. You can also use micellar water on a Q-tip and then use the very tip of your brush pen to create a sharp line. And this is the final look with both eyes done and a pair of lashes on. Next up is this soft wing look using just eyeshadows. I'm starting off with primer again. I've been using this one from Japonesque, their Velvet Touch Primer. I'm going to use Fenty's True Neutrals palette for this look. I'm using the shade that's close to my skin tone and applying that all over the lids as the base shadow. On a winged liner brush, I'm going to take the dark brown shade in the palette and draw the end of my wing on both eyes. Then with this e.l.f. defining eye brush, I'm going to take the lighter brown shade and start applying that to the outer half of my eyes, up along the wing and across the lash line. I'm also going to bring it lightly towards the inner corner. This helps create a really soft look, and you can also use a fluffy brush to blend out the edges. Now I'm taking the dark brown shade and applying that to the outer corner as well, but this time I'm not going to bring it to the inner corner. Now with the winged liner brush, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and darken the bottom of that winged line. I'm also bringing the color slightly upward so it blends well with the rest of the eyeshadow. Now I'm just loosely blending to make sure the shadows create a nice soft gradient. To clean up the wing and any fallout from the shadows, I'm taking concealer on a brush again, drawing an angled line and then blending that concealer down. The wing is still super sharp but also very soft. Now I'm just adding some lashes. You can also add some highlight to the inner corners, and that's it. We're on to the last one, which is this bold graphic liner look. I'm priming the eyes again and adding a base shadow all over the lids. With a contour shade, I'm just going to add a little bit to the outer corners and over the eye socket area, pretty much where the graphic lines are going to go. With my brush tip liner, I'm going to draw the ends of the wings again. The lines for this one are going to be a bit more dramatic, so I'm extending it upwards a little more than usual. I like to draw my graphic lines over or around the eye socket area. To find where that is, I angle my face downwards and look up, and once I have an idea of where I want my liner to go, I just start drawing. Play around with what works best for you. If you have a defined crease, you can just follow that line. Next, I'll start drawing a classic wing and then start playing around with the thickness of the look. I like it to be thinner towards the center and thicker towards the end of the wing. I popped on some lashes and we're done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I cannot wait to see your makeup and eyeliner looks, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.